The court's protective order area is located at all 4 Maricopa County Superior Court Law Library Resource Centers. When a customer is seeking relief from harassment, domestic violence, or physical harm, they need to file for a protective order. The Law Library Resource Center has forms for filing a petition for an order of protection and an injunction against harassment at no cost to the customer. The customer will, however, need to pay a filing fee for an injunction against workplace harassment. The customer's relationship to the other party determines whether the customer will file an order of protection, injunction against harassment, or injunction against workplace harassment. There are 2 ways to complete an order of protection and injunction against harassment. Customers can complete an order of protection or injunction against harassment at home using the statewide Arizona Protective Order Initiation and Notification tool known as AZ Point, located at azpoint.azcourts.gov. Once the customer completes the petition, the website will provide information as to which court to take their confirmation number. If there is a pending family case, the customer must go to a Maricopa County Superior Court. The second option for completing a protective order is to go to the Maricopa County Superior Court Protective Order area in the Law Library Resource Center, where the petition can be completed in person. Either way, the customer will need to file the petition in person with the clerk of court once it is completed. When completing the petition, the customer has 3 boxes available to describe the incidents that have led to seeking a protective order. The description should be as detailed as possible because the court cannot consider information not entered on the petition. The process can take an hour to 2 hours. If the order of protection is granted, it will automatically be sent to law enforcement. It is important to provide as much contact information for the respondent as you can to help law enforcement serve the order. Customers are required to secure service of process for an injunction against harassment and injunction against workplace harassment. A protective order is not in effect until it is served on the other party. The order will expire 2 years after the date of service. Protective orders cannot be renewed. After the order expires, the plaintiff will need to request a new order. Once the respondent is served, they may request a hearing during the 2 years the order is in effect, and the plaintiff is required to appear. If you have been served with a protective order and would like to contest the order, you can visit one of the 4 Maricopa County Superior Court locations to complete a request of hearing form. Service must be completed and the matter must be on the court docket before a hearing can be set. This can take 48 to 72 hours after service is completed. A hearing can be requested anytime during the 2 years the protective order is in effect. At each location, there are advocates to assist customers through the process and provide resources. Advocates are not court employees and work for an agency that is separate from the courts. The Law Library Resource Center has many helpful resources available in person and online. You can sign up for a library card and access various remote databases from your computer at home. When you are at the Law Library, we offer an expansive subscription to Westlaw. It includes case law and helpful comments to cases and statutes and other resources that explain the law and help guide your research. The Law Library also has a large collection of current and historical Arizona legal resources, including the Arizona Revised Statutes, the Arizona Practice Series, and the Arizona Legal Form Series. Our law librarians provide in-person help at our downtown Phoenix location. Our professional staff are available at the library, over the phone, by email, or through the chat feature on our website. The Law Library Resource Center creates and maintains hundreds of self-help form packets to help you navigate through the court system. These forms simplify complex legal processes such as divorce, civil lawsuits, probate matters, and restoration of civil rights. This helps users understand where to go, what to do, and how to accomplish their legal goals. Our forms and instructions are available in both English and Spanish. We can review your forms before you file them. Our Forms Assistance Program is 15 minutes of forms review by our staff. Appointments are available for remote assistance, and in-person appointments are available at our downtown location on a first-come, first-served basis. Staff will briefly review your forms for completeness and try to answer your questions. While court staff cannot give legal advice or tell you how to answer a question or whether your answer is correct, We can answer questions to help you understand what a form is asking.